Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Quickly, we don't go waste time. One of our Ogbonge callers, Oga Igo, all the way from Abuja, there on top of telephone line. Oga Igo, thank you very much for your patience and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Shikoji, I greet you. Good morning.
We greet you, Oga Igo.
Oga Kobe, I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
May 29, at the D-Day, day of reckoning. For the first time we ask, if they call those people name come out, are they going to be persecuted? Because for the for the fighting of the corruption for Nigeria, nobody has been persecuted. Everybody don't deny, say they no chop money. So after that day, if they call the names finish, what will happen to them? Or the president they try to call the names, make him win the voice of the masses, or they try to call the name, make him be the messiah of Nigeria, and to leave and I go rest my case. That is May 29.
Oga Igo. You don't talk. Thank you very, very much for that question. That strong question where you drop for ground. The same question where I ask, say, okay, afterwards, after names on, they don't release names, they don't mention names. Waiting go follow, waiting will be the follow-up. Not to just mention names, okay, we don't hear the names, we don't hear them, make them move about the activities. Waiting will be the follow-up, now everything. We get another caller. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Nkobe.
Good morning, okay.
Good morning, Mr. Chukode.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, we greet you.
I beg, if you like say, really, some people want forget finger for people eye this morning, but make you no work like that. I beg. I beg.
No Allah, no Allah.
Mr. Nkubi, looking smart, please.
Thank you.
Make I contribute small.
Okay.
For we Nigeria here, even small people where they born today know the looters. We don't need prophet making tell us who be who. But believe me honestly, say that day when you come, no be people who expect to hear their name, now you go hear their name. So I think my little advice to Mr. President is say that money where in collect, make him put her in a better place where go give better things for Nigeria. And make him use him power also fight more. So that because imagine where Nigerian politician from Nigeria say he say one return money or in return money. That one when return, in fact, maybe even in girlfriend itself, the money when they give in girlfriend no reach like that. So there is more. So make him fight more. Make sure say he collect every. So that Nigeria will still be a better place to live. Thank you. And may God bless you.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution and the prayer when you use the top up everything. We get one of our callers all the way from Ogudu. Good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot, Oga David.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga David.
You see, this topic we're going to discuss this morning is very interesting.
Okay.
The problem in Nigeria itself is corruption. You see, if Mr. President wants to reveal the name of the people that is corrupt, that have siphoned Nigeria's money, he has to start with the people that put him there. If he want to bring some people's names, so that means that he's going to bring the justice. We know how to take that there if you want to be revealed. Let him do the real thing and let him deceiving Nigerian people. Thank you and
Oga David, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga Emmanuel. Oga Emmanuel, they call us from Ikoyi. Oga Emmanuel, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Emmanuel. Okay, bless it. We don't lose Emmanuel. Chukudi, Oga okay talk something. And you can't be say Oga David self also compliment or waiting Oga okay talk. Oga okay talk say look, okay. Make we know they surprise say the names where we carry for mind, no be waiting they go do anything, no be waiting they go mention.
Very true.
And Oga David also talk say you get some people will be part of internal, that is the integral part of the system. We say we deal with Oga Press do, even if they don't carry any political office. But somehow, people know say these same people they do waiting, they corrupt. What will come happen to those people? A very strong question. But then, what will still they talk here? Say, as long as we get institution and we get bodies where we say their responsibility not to do it, now to carry out investigate and see say yes, so then carry out investigate, see say this person they corrupt, this person they corrupt. Or even if they tender, some people can't tender case to them say these people see what you do, you chop money, do this thing, and they follow them up. They say okay, truth they inside. Their responsibility now to do it now to bring the people to book. investigate, and show say, okay, true, these people they guilty. Then know what they will do about them. You understand? So the whole responsibility still lie on the hands of our anti-corruption this thing group to do it, to fight the fight, and at least make Nigerians support them. We got one of our callers. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yusuf, okay, Yusuf, good morning.
Yeah.
Will they hear you right on?
I want to talk for the matter we say.
Okay.
This name where Mr. President want make up. We just started now. Even though if you don't make up people where put down for power name, another person go take over. We go hear their name. Any of them way corrupt, go hear their name. You understand me? So person way give you food stuff cannot lie to disgrace that person. If you are true, those people when they put down for power, they corrupt. Let Nigeria wait now. They go come up for power. Other president will come.
But Oga Yusuf, a quick one. Yes. May I ask this question? Over time, we don't hear say, okay, any government when they come into power, go do it in, go at least go pick up from where this last person stopped, and at least to fight corruption, you also mention names of mention names of people where people they corrupt for the last administration. This is not something we say it don't stream down the line. Okay, in the same vein, we don't say Oga President we want try at least ensure say at least we get a very strong system where we say we go to fight corruption. But if peradventure these names you mention and finish, we not gonna see follow up. And you can't expect another government to come in, and the same government can't do it. Can't also follow the same drama where others don't follow. Where it is say, how it is say we go to really get that result we want.
Nkubi, you see, this probe we just started.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
Other people they are learning. Because this kind of thing never happened for Nigeria since 1999.
Okay.
You understand me? So other people they are just learning. They don't know now. They don't open their eyes and know. This is what Mr. President they do now. One day we say we go reach there. You understand me? So by the grace of God, we go know them one by one.
Very true. Oga Yusuf, thank you very much for this important contribution. And we are very, very happy say we don't take calls from different Nigerians, and everybody they talk in the direction say people when chop this our country money, it go good make we name them and shame them like Oga Bobby don't talk, so that we'll get country where we say every Nigerian gonna say corruption a bad thing, we no go support them. We get Oga Chuks. Oga Chuks they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Chuks, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Oga Chuks.
Oga Chuks, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chuks.
Oga Nkubi, I greet very well.
I greet you too.
Okay. The point where me and one can see this matter the same.
Okay.
Oga President, now in hand, now all these things there. Anytime when I always tune into your program, I always put the whole matter for in hand. For this thing to work out, now in hand, now in go be. Make you do this thing without fear of favor. Because as Oga Chuks talk, we don't need a soothsayer or a to come and start telling us, saying that this person, that this person. We all know. As far as I'm concerned, as me I did here, I know people. When you suppose don't even mention Tete, look, they wait for until May 29. I've been at the person who can't carry money, give him under 2 months when he return money, give him. Under 2 months when he take power. I've been at people who carry money to do election. What about all those people? You could mention all those people. Now, when you mention these people, when you go mention them, now without fear or favor, make it stand out. As that integrity man, what they're saying, make it stand out. Mention these people. And when you mention these people, they may not stop them. You can make sure say these people pay from their annuals.
Very true.
Because the thing what they don't do, now me and you they suffer today.
Exactly.
When we not feel bad, market for food we not feel bad because of these people. So make it deal with them without fear of
decisively the way it's supposed to be.
Oga Chuks, thank you very much for this your important
Thank you very much, Oga Chuks.
Really appreciate them. We get Afiz. Afiz, they call us all the way from Lagos Island. Afiz, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning, Afiz. Afiz, you there?
Afiz, make your contribution. You don't connect. It be like say the network slow somehow for where Afiz dey. Afiz, I beg, if you get the opportunity to call us back, I beg, reduce the volume of your television or any other person so that we go fit hear you when you make your contribution. From all the contributions we don't get so far, we know say we dey get one particular practice. When we say, if we talk and say, okay, based on political partisanship, say, okay, where this person come from, the likely political party when he go support or who he go support. But it's very, very very good here, say, from all of the people who don't call us for inside this particular arrangement this morning, based on this topic. Everybody they talk in the direction, say, corruption is something when they're very, very bad. See what Oga Chuk talk, say, the consequences of all of, say, people, they carry money when they're supposed to use do road, hospital, or school, or even for our security people, so that people go fit sleep with 2 eyes closed for this country. Now, the reason why would they suffer for plenty of the things when they suffer today. So if corruption is something when we say they cause problem, you know they get any, say, okay, oh, whether you, now this person you support, now this person you support, different person you suffer. Yes. So it go good make all of us join our hand together to fight against corruption and support government when we go pursue corruption. We get Lady UC on top of our telephone line all the way from Ikorodu. Lady
Good
UC,
morning,
welcome
Lady
to Ask Me Hot.
Good morning, Chukwuda Nkubi.
Good morning.
I like this on a program. Oh.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
I bet this corruption of the things we are talking now. This corruption, you know, even start today. You know, start today because during Obasanjo time, I remember that time. Obasanjo is the first person we introduced to carry our Nigerian money to another country, and they seize the money. So if they want to start to fight this corruption, let them start from Obasanjo. See they here now, and other people. And these people that are saying that they're fighting corruption, they're not fighting anything. Because when their time pass now, when they step down, each another government enter, you will see how much money they carry to another abroad again. So nobody is fighting corruption for this Nigeria. And you say they want to fight corruption. Let all those people that that keep our money, let them jail all of them. Let them seize all their assets and let them kill all of them. Because if they remain the same, other grown-up ones, they will teach them all those bad things that they're doing. Because corruption is thing that is destroying all Nigeria.
Not true.
Now corruption, I put Nigeria to this place where they day today. Then the man said David Cameron talk something. Why the man no go talk? Because if don't say Nigeria, no remedy. Now this corruption, now they kill Nigeria. So both Buhari, all of them, nobody is fighting corruption. They just deceiving masses.
Lady UC,
now we they suffer out.
Lady UC, you don't speak like Nigeria who also get passion for the country. You don't also speak like Nigeria who say at least. You don't also add up your own view to this thing. And also our leaders, they also hear your own view. Make they also know what they will do about that. Make we collect this call. Make we collect another call from McDaniel. McDaniel, they call us from Ajao Estate. Good morning, McDaniel.
Good morning, Nkubi. Good morning, Chukwudi.
We agree to your guy, McDaniel.
Yeah, so I just want to talk something.
Okay.
This thing when President want to, it good too.
Okay.
It good. But me, I feel say na problem now he won't bring.
How?
The problem when he won't bring be say he no go fit in totality call the names of everybody. And that one go bring problem. Me, I dey feel say, okay, this one are the money when I we don't collect. See the money when we don't collect from all these people.
So, Oga McDaniel, what do they talk? We say, make Oga Presido, the one when we don't do now, make we just follow there they go.
Make he just tell us, see money when they don't bring. Because
Oga McDaniel, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Thank you very much, Oga McDaniel.
But the reason why we rush you now, sake of say we won't quickly rush, enter inside break. When we go this break, come back, go, they collect calls as they get to do with this topic of say Oga Presido won't call register of all the people who don't chop this country money, we don't return them from backyard on the 29th of May. No go anywhere now, still ask it. Help me complete them. Oh.
Yes, welcome back. We don't enter the final lap of our program, and we'll also collect different calls from our viewers. And what will be the matter we talk about today? We'll talk about Oga Presido talk. Where he talks, say, look, all the people we do it in, we return money, say you go mention their name on May 29th, that is on Sunday. People don't also react to it and call say corruption. And one big thing we say, will they affect us? Make we do it, make it address the matter, address them well. We get Emmanuel. Emmanuel, they call us from Ikoyi. Good morning, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, good morning.
We greet your guy, man.
Now, good morning. Who is sharp guy?
Would they hear you? They hear you.
No, the man Chukwu, no let the signs intimidate you.
Abi, thank you, Jare.
Concern the matter where they ground.
Okay.
The They mention name, they don't mention name. No be waiting Nigeria won here. Nigeria won here. How much una don't collect so far?
Okay.
The money where una don't collect. How una want do am? What una want use am do? If you want to begin mention name, that name long go. No be today you start.
Okay, but you mean say na name when we go get ending.
That name they no fit end up. If you want to begin call that name, the name long. Now from 1960 you go begin the call am. So what since Buhari come say you want to begin fight corruption, you don't gather name and people where you know. Make him tell us how much you don't collect and the money what you go take and do. You don't hear me so?
Very true. Yeah.
As it is now, if you want to begin call names, the names where we done the here already. Now people where we can get problem when they wear khaki. And the people where they talk for PDP 4, 5 years, 6 years ago. And the people where encourage everybody now, their name too, they there. I dey wait. Whether I get name, me say I get name where I want mention.
But just write down with your comments.
But I don't go feel call. I don't want to hear the news. When they go call. Whether you go call people where me I know.
Very true. Okay, man, thank you very much for this.
Okay, man, thank you very, very much.
We appreciate the fact, say, you, Sef, don't join your voice. With all the people when they come out here, they talk, say, it go very, very important to make we identify people when we say for our society, somehow, they don't chook their hand inside the pocket of this country.
Development, they
enrich themselves. But another important point when you note, now say, if we go by that way, checking the fact, say, if we look at our political class, it be like, say, some people, they know, say, na business for them. Whether na this party, whether na that party, they just want to enrich themselves. You talk, say, make Oga President come and talk, say, okay, now the money we don't collect with this, see what we want to take and do. It go good, make we also point out, say, Oga President say, don't talk and say, on that May 29th, he go give out the plan so that Nigerians go to say, okay, see the amount we will get, see what we go likely use the money do. But then again, it go good make we emphasize, say, as Nigerians, if we get government where they committed to the fight against corruption, when we say, now can't cow when not chop deep into the fabric of our society, it go good make we support such government. Even though some people go talk, say, it be like, say, the thing they selective. But then again, if this person don't do what he not supposed to, make the person answer him mama name if you get the chance to appear for inside court.
And another thing we say, now we get the voice. No be our leaders get the voice. Now we go say, okay, see what we want, and they go feel it, they go hear us. And if we insist, we want to know them, and we also know what we want to do to them. And if there are also other names, make now also bring out the names. Can't stand on waiting and feel say be the right thing. Government no pass us. Now we be part of government. True. Now we put them there. True. Because in the first place, now we put them there. Now we go decide what thing will play out. And now only when we bring our voice together, as Nigeria as one. And after you go to say at least things could they go for Nigeria.
Very true.
So now it be the thing.
Very, very true.
It answered very, very true, Abi.
Very, very true.
It still say the answer very true. When I don't talk this right from the beginning, you know answer very true.
This was not how you started in the beginning.
No.
In the beginning, they come and they talk, say, Oga President, go mention names. Right? When he mentioned this name, your own be say, make it continue from where? When we know names, when supposed to be inside. When we know names, when supposed to be inside.
Ugakola, respect yourself. Good morning.
You don't even know the person name.
Ufoma, good morning, Jare. No mind Chukudi. Good morning, Ufoma.
You don't use strong voice, pursue and come out.
They there.
They where?
Ufoma, good morning.
You see him?
What do you mean you see him?
You see him?
What do you mean you see him here now?
They use voice, they threaten corners.
What do you mean you see him?
Your name is there, oh.
Your name will be there.
You will not escape this.
Where my name there? I know where my name go there.
Which your name? Where
my
your
name will be there, but not in this one.
Where your name? I didn't sure your name go there for people when they
my name will be there. Not be for this one where they want mention on 29. Not be this one. But for that one, my name will be there.
Unkubi.
You are going back to this. You are going back to this. You are going back to this.
Your name.
You are going back to this.
You are in trouble.
You are going back to this.
Going back to what?
You are going back to this.
Going back to what? You come here, start the show, say, no, can not just be, make Oga President, if we all not be making mention name, make it a move on. Name when we already, if you, anybody when you work for inside this country, say, make it come out, name there everywhere. We get Wahab. Wahab, they call us all the way from my papa.
For your mind, now, you don't come down, you don't talk.
Wahab, from my papa, let me calm down.
Good morning, Wahab.
I greet everybody in the house.
We greet you too. Wahab.
How do you work?
We thank God. We don't wait for the list, the people name.
Don't point at me. Who be the bring the list?
I love this station very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Wahab.
Because you people are saying the real truth.
Thank you, sir.
So to talk about this Nigeria is a long story. Like now, we thank God now that Mr. President said he want to name the people that use Nigeria money for corruption. You will be very surprised that now, that day that he want to name that, he will not name the people, the real people. That is the problem of Nigeria, number one. And two, in this country, I've already heard from the Mr. President himself that he don't want to name the people, the former president that corrupts. Is the present one, he collect jobs, which is not supposed to be like that. That means he don't know how to fight for the corruption. Before he will fight for corruption, he will start from the edge, because he will start from the edge.
From the head down, cut the stream and down to the bottom side.
Yes, because it will get the real corruption.
Yes.
Because
in fact, you don't talk. The way you take round up this thing now on a very good note. Say at least if Oga President won't fight corruption, make it not just say one do this thing. So they restrict it to some people. Make it start from where it's supposed to start. Bring and down, and that is how corruption will fight them. But even in that same vein, at least collectively as Nigerians, we also need to do it. Come and support our president. Once we support our president, also support the anti-corruption group, because you see at least some of these things we're going to see results from them.
Very true. It go there very important, make we point them out. Say corruption no be something when we say, if we talk say we won't fight them, and something when go end tomorrow. Because of the way when it's not there for our society, don't cause plenty badness. It go good make we also show plenty power in the fight against corruption. And some things go hard because in the sense say some people don't use from backyard chop this country money. Some small people will benefit from them. At the end of the day, they go lose all these bad things so that the country, everybody go there on the same level. We always talk and say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. All of us they wait until May 29. Your heart is beating. You know that your name will be there on the 29th of May. You know that your heart will beat. I will show you.
No, what do you
want to do? See.
What do you want to do? No, John.
No, do it. See.
Do it.
Nobody. Anything when I do, nobody go see you.
No.
Anything when I do, nobody go see you.
Do it. You will want.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.